You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that could be indeed one of the most confusing words in English. Look at the spelling of this. Why is it even spelled this way? Is it French? Well, it must be originally, I guess. Exhibition is how you pronounce it. So forget about the H. It doesn't do anything there, and I think the French do like to put H's everywhere and not pronouncing them. Exhibition. That makes sense. B-I-B. Shun. Yes, T-I-O-N is pronounced shun, like motion, emotion, demonstration, etc. So let's listen carefully one last time. The English pronunciation, how to pronounce exhibition. Exhibition, it's easy once you know it is, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.